I'm gonna show you how you can rotate a video. This option is very useful because sometimes we just grab our phones or our cameras and we start shooting, and sometimes we don't realize that the footage is upside down. To fix that, we only have to place two fingers in this area, and then this finger right here is you're gonna move it up, and the other one right here you're gonna move it down. You're gonna drag up and then drag down at the same time with two fingers, and then as you can see right here, our video is in another position, and if you do it again, it's gonna move like this. And let's say that you were recording on the street and your video is upside down, you can fix it like that. And also, like if I'm recording myself, I can use this option to grab more attention, because I'm gonna be like this and then boom, like that. I'm just gonna do it again and put it back to normal, but that's how you can rotate a video in iMovie. And keep in mind that there's no controls for that, so a lot of people don't know how to do it. Thanks for your time, and if you want to support this channel, I'm gonna leave some links in the description.